everyone, this is Naprit Kaur. Welcome you all on my channel IELTS at Home. In my previous video, you learned about the sentence and its difference with the tense. But in this video, you will learn how to make simple sentences in present form. So without any further delay, let's start. As in my previous video, I explained that there are 4 types of simple sentences: affirmative sentences, negative, interrogative, and negative interrogative. And all these can be formed in present, past, and future. And today I'll explain you how you can make or the rules of making simple sentences in present form. Now you can see on your screen the rules related to simple sentences in present. Firstly, affirmative sentence rule is subject plus is am are plus object. In the negative sentence, you need to put not after is am are in the rule. And third form is interrogative. For this, is am are will come first, then subject, then object. And you can also add WH questions in the starting of this sentence and also put question mark at the end. In negative interrogative, you need to put not after the subject and rest of the rules is same as interrogative. Let's start with affirmative sentence. Its rule is subject plus is am are plus object. You can see the examples on your screen. She is tired. We are students. I am a girl. In all these sentences, there is no action. So this is simple sentence. And remember this, in sentence, use am with I, is with singulars like he, she, it, or any noun or name of a person, place, or thing. Are with plural like we, they, you. Follow this rule in all sentences and tenses. And you can see that I also put same examples in Hindi language so that you can understand better. Like, मैं एक लड़की हूँ, I am a girl. वह थकी हुई है, she is tired. हम विद्यार्थी हैं, we are students. In the first example, I is the subject, am is the helping verb, is am are. We use any one because with I we use only am, so I use am. And then a girl, that is a object. So follow this rule for making affirmative sentences. The rule is subject plus helping verb is am are plus object. For making negative sentence in present form, you just need to put the same rule as affirmative but just add the not after helping verb. You can see the rule on your screen: subject plus is am are plus not plus object. And there are 3 examples. I am not a doctor. मैं डॉक्टर नहीं हूँ. In this example, I is the subject, am is the helping verb, then I put not and then object a doctor. And in the second example, she is the subject. In third, we is the subject. Because she is a singular, I use is, and we is the plural, so that I use are, and then I use not and then subject. And for making interrogative sentence, put the is am are or helping verb in the starting of the sentence and then write subject and then object with question mark at the end. And you can also make this sentence with WH families like what, when, why. We will discuss these in later. See the example. The first example is, are we students? Which means क्या हम विद्यार्थी हैं. Second, am I doctor? क्या मैं एक डॉक्टर हूँ. Third, क्या वह थकी हुई है? Is she tired? In all these, I use helping verb in the starting of the sentence because these are interrogative. This is the rule of interrogative sentence. I use in the first example are because we is a plural subject, and in the second example I use I. Am is only used with I, and in the third example I use is with she because she is a singular subject. And don't forget to put question mark at the end. For making negative interrogative, the rule is same as interrogative sentence, but you need to put not after the subject. The rule is, firstly write the helping verb is MR, and then subject, then not, and then object. Also question mark at the end. See the example. Is she not tired? क्या वह थकी हुई नहीं है? सेकेंड, आर वी नॉट स्टूडेंट्स? क्या हम विद्यार्थी नहीं हैं? थर्ड, एम आई नॉट अ डॉक्टर? क्या मैं एक डॉक्टर नहीं हूँ? Obviously I am not a doctor, I am a teacher. You can see that in all these examples I put helping verb in the front of the sentence according to rule, that is, are, and am, and then I put subject. In first example the subject is she, in second we, in third I, and then because we want to make it negative I put not in all these examples, and at the end we use object. And you can also see on your screen in the left side the picture of WH family. Why, whose, who, when, what, where, which, how. The meaning of all these in Hindi is who means कौन, why क्यों, whose किसका, how कैसे, when कब, what क्या, where कहाँ, which कौन सा. I have also given some examples of these WH family questions with simple sentences. And remember one thing, WH family or WH questions are never used with those questions whose answer is in yes or no. Like, is this your pen? Yes, this is my pen, or no, this is not my pen. And you can see that in this question I haven't used the WH question or WH family. I use is, because lots of people have confusion in this, where to use WH and where to use helping verb. You can use WH family with helping verb, but remember, if your answer is in yes or no, then your question will never be in WH form. Making interrogative sentence with WH family, I wrote some examples. Just read all these. तुम late क्यों हो? Why are you late? Here I use why. वह कौन है? Who is he? Here I use who. वह कब थकी हुई थी? When is she tired? वह क्यों थकी हुई थी? Why she is tired? मैं क्या सोचूं? What I think. राम कहाँ है? Where is Ram? तुम्हारा पेन कौन सा है? Which is your pen? ये कैसे हुआ? How is this happen? So in all these example I use WH family, why, who, when, why, what, where, which, how. And I follow the rule. In the starting of the sentence I use WH question, and then I wrote the helping verbs, then subject, and then object with question mark. And you can note one thing in all these questions, that is, you cannot answer all these questions in yes or no. So remember, don't use WH family where your question demand the answer in yes or no. I hope now it's clear how to make simple sentences in present form. We will discuss other form, past and future in my upcoming videos. So stay tuned, watch my all videos, and if you want to watch my previous video, just click on the I button on your screen and you can find the link. And follow me on Facebook and Instagram. You can find the link in the description box below. And please hit the like button if you think this video is informative. Thank you.